guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today is day 7, so it's our last full day here today, and then we go home tomorrow. Oh, it's been absolutely amazing here. Really loved it. I've loved the view. I'm gonna miss the view though, I really am. I'll show you in a second. I've probably showed you so many times the view, but it is outstanding and it's absolutely beautiful. I've only just woken up, as you guys can tell. It's like 7:30 in the morning. Yeah, today's agenda is just gonna be chilling out by the pool, having a nice chill day, obviously before we fly home tomorrow night. After dinner we are going to do last bits of shopping because I want to get another little snow globe for my bedroom at home. So we're going to have a nice little walk around, see if there's any more souvenirs we need to buy for people, you know, just last little minute shopping before we head home tomorrow. So I'm going to show you the view. I'm absolutely going to miss this view first thing in the morning, I really am, but yeah, I'll show you. So this is what the view looks like, obviously from our balcony. I'm absolutely going to miss it. It's so beautiful and so stunning. You will never get a view like this ever back in the UK unless you actually live by the sea. But yeah, it's never this beautiful. Like I said, I am going to miss this view. Like I said, today's agenda is obviously get up, have breakfast, come back to the room, grab the beach bag. Oh, sorry about that. Grab the beach bag and then head down to the pool. So we're just going to spend a day by the pool, have a nice chilled one. Going to go into the pool. Lisa's going to go into the pool as well, which I'm a bit shocked about that. She's actually currently asleep still. And then obviously come back up, have dinner. Well, come back up, get changed, video call Nathan for a little while before we go for dinner, and then after dinner we are going to do a little bit of late night shopping just to buy a few more little souvenirs for people or stuff that we want to buy for ourselves. And then I think, if I remember rightly, we have a photo shoot as well on the beach at 8:20, so we've got that as well. That's it. And then we obviously come back to the room, sort our suitcase out, make sure everything is all packed and ready to go for the morning. Our checkout tomorrow is 12 o'clock midday, so obviously we've still got the morning, but we can't do much in the morning because obviously we check out at 12. So what the agenda is going to be in the morning, obviously it'll probably just be get up, get breakfast, depends on what time it is, maybe have a last little minute walkabout, last little minute shopping. We've got a perfume shop right next door, and checkouts at 12, and then we get our taxi back to the airport. Obviously I will be showing you all this tomorrow anyway, and then head back home. Oh, do you know what, I've absolutely enjoyed this holiday, but I am missing Nathan. I've been missing Nathan since we've been here. I'm missing Nathan more and more. I know we've been video calling each other, but it's not the same. So yeah, I'm missing Nathan. I miss my bed. I need to swap arms for a second. Bed, I'm missing Nathan. I think I'm just missing home comforts. I think that's what you do miss when you're on holiday. It's nice and chilled. It's nice to get away. I love it. To be honest with you, I've enjoyed getting away from work. Work is the best getaway, you know. I've not missed work one bit. Not even thought about work. I've not even thought about the poor people at work. Really just enjoyed myself on this holiday. I've absolutely loved it. I've enjoyed it, and obviously the next holiday I go on will be with Nathan, but I don't think I will probably film that because obviously it's our time to be away. Obviously Nathan's never flown before, so I've got to do everything with him. But yeah, we don't know when we're going. But yeah, he does want to come on holiday, so the next time I'll be on holiday I might not be able to vlog for that due to obviously him not being able to, he's never been abroad before, so, and we want to do things together. I will take pictures and everything and put it all over my socials, but as for vlogging I might not be able to with me and Nathan going on holiday. But yeah, it is our last full day today. We're just going to chill by the pool, And then yeah, it's head home tomorrow. So come with us and chill with us our last day. So this is what I'm looking like for when we go down for breakfast. So please excuse the hair right now. Obviously I've just bunged it up in a bun because obviously we're spending the day by the pool. So I've obviously just popped my bikini under, sorry, and I've obviously got the bottoms on as well. So I've just popped a cami top and some shorts over the top, ready for breakfast. So we're gonna go down and have breakfast now. I was gonna have a shower last night, but I thought to myself, what's the point when we're gonna go in the pool and then I'll have to shower again. I know I've got to try and use all my shampoo and conditioner, but it's almost gone as it is. So we're gonna have a shower later on when we come back to the room. But yeah, we're gonna go to have breakfast, and then we're gonna come up, pick up my beach bag that's got our towels, etc. and stuff in, and then spend a day by the pool. It's my breakfast. Obviously I've got some toast, so I can have like a bacon and egg sandwich. I've got a couple of waffles, some like little hot dogs and some sausages, and again an orange juice as well. So I managed to eat most of it. I left one waffle and one sausage. The waffles were actually really nice, but I was going to eat the second one, but I'm a bit full up at the moment. And had our drinks as well. So now it's time to head back to the room, grab our bag and go by the pool. So last day, and we are chilling by the pool. Just having a nice relaxing time before the long journey home tomorrow. So nice chill out by the pool. A few drinks, ham and toasty sandwiches, of course. And then tomorrow we get ready to go home. We've got a 12 o'clock checkout and then head to the airport, heading back to England. Just having a normal Coke for now till later on, and then when we have our ham cheese toasties we'll have a alcoholic beverage. Yeah, enjoying the last day of being by the pool. Last day of being by the pool. And it's actually technically the last day of holiday because we're travelling home tomorrow. So we are going to make the most of it today. And Lisa's just done a few lengths in the pool. As you can see, my hair is quite wet, but it don't matter, we're going to shower and everything when we go back to the room later anyway. But yeah, we had a little dip in the pool, both of us. Obviously it's the last day and then we travel home tomorrow, so yeah, I didn't want Lisa regretting going into the swimming pool. So we both went in there, had a few swims, and then come back out and sunbathing. And when we get a bit too hot, we will go back in there. We have lunch, so we've got ham and cheese toasty. I just got chips on this one, thought we'll try them, and then I've got some mayonnaise on the side as well. So nice spot of lunch. And then maybe after this, once we've let the food go down, we'll probably go swimming again. So we're by the pool, we've just had lunch, and I've got myself a cheeky cocktail, which is San Francisco, and it's actually really, really nice. So obviously it's the last day, and we're by the pool, making the most of it. I'm making the most of the cocktails as well, because when we get home, we're going to have to start paying for them all. So yeah, I cannot wait. So as you guys have noticed, we are back in the room. I've actually got quite a bit of sun on my back. Lisa's currently in the bath, and then when she gets out I will have a shower, and then we're just going to chill out, we have a little sleep. I will probably video call Nathan. Sorry, I'm so tired, I don't know why. Just down the lobby though, there was a handbag and purse stall. If it's still there after dinner, I will treat myself to a bag. But I just got myself a lovely new purse for home. I wanted a new one anyway, so I thought, do you know what, I'll get this one. So, see, after dinner, we are going to do a little bit of shopping. I'm going to be wearing, I don't know if you guys can see, that long dress there for tonight, since it's our last night here, and then in the morning we are heading back to England. Obviously we got to check out at midday, so we've got the morning to ourselves. Yeah, we're gonna have dinner here, do a little bit of late night shopping, maybe walk up at that side instead of that side. Got a photo shoot at 8:20, and then yeah, and then Love Island time. So for now, I'm waiting for Lisa to come out the bathroom, so she's had a bath. I'll jump in the shower, get all nice and refreshed. What we are going to do though is start packing a few little bits away tonight. I'm gonna use my hair. Being in the pool was absolutely lovely. Obviously the water was absolutely freezing cold, but it was so nice. I just mainly wanted to get sun on my back because I've got too much on my front and I wanted my back to match. So yeah, I wanted my back done. I certainly have got my back done for sure. So yeah, so we're just going to obviously have showers, have baths, chill out, maybe have a little nap because we got up quite early this morning. Well, I did, due to due to obviously breakfast is being early. So I cannot wait to get back home and have breakfast whenever I want, have dinner whenever I want, you know. But yeah, I will keep you updated. The next time I will film will be getting ready for dinner. So it's the last night, so obviously we're going for dinner. Obviously we might be a little bit early, but we're going to go down and have a drink and just chill for a little while. This is the dress that I'm wearing. It's absolutely lovely. It's nice and flowy as well, so I thought I'll wear a nice dress for the last night. Shame about that my bra strap is a bit too thick, but it don't really matter. We are gonna go down, have a drink, then have dinner, and then last little minutes of shopping, just walking around the town, see if like any little goodies. I know I want to get another snow globe for home. We've got a photo shoot at 9:20, but yeah, 8:20, sorry, not 9:20, 8:20. And then after that, it's back to the hotel room. Just make sure everything is packed. Obviously, we're leaving the last little bits that we need for obviously the morning, like our toothbrush and stuff like that. But the last little bits that we are going to need for the morning will be packed tomorrow morning. But yeah. So we're going to go down, get a couple of drinks, and then go and have a dinner. So last night's dinner. This is what I've got, and I've got 2 desserts as well. Why not? It's the last night, and we have Coke with us as well. Well, today has really beaten me. I just feel really tired at the moment. It's been laying in the sun too much, but managed to eat most of it. I did have quite a lot on there, and I did eat a little bit of the dessert as well, but I'm really full up now. And I'm going to sleep so well tonight. I'm absolutely knackered. Just walking up the road, having a last minute shop around before we head home tomorrow. It's a last minute walk up here and then back down to the beach for our photo shoot. Hey guys, so I'm going to end today's video here. We did go looking around all stores. I bought myself another little snow globe ready to take home with me. As for the photo shoot, the lady messaged Lisa or sent a voicemail saying that she's going to be late, can we do it a bit later? And unfortunately we couldn't do it any later because obviously we fly home tomorrow. So we've got to make sure everything's all packed. The stuff that we was wearing today or having for today, like all our beach towels and stuff like that, they've all got to go in the suitcases tonight. It's got to go in the suitcases. We are doing it tonight. The last little bits will probably be like our toothbrushes, toothpaste, any like perfumes or deodorants left over, you know, stuff like that. I am absolutely shattered. I'm burning.